Insurance teams often spend hours or even days processing claims, juggling forms, photos, videos, and endless back and forth with customers. With Box AI, forms, and apps, we can turn that complex process into a streamlined, automated workflow. Let's see how. Here, we start with a new claim submission. The customer has uploaded all the required details like claim type, claim date, description of the loss, and even relevant accident reports, photos, and videos of the incident directly through a box form. As soon as the submission is complete, the claims analyst can see that the documents are securely uploaded and organized into its own folder in Box. It automatically appears in our claims dashboard, built in Box apps. From this dashboard, we can see the claim package fully organized in one place. Here is our newly submitted claim. Box AI extract agents have already gone to work, extracting metadata directly from the submitted forms and the uploaded images, capturing critical information like policy number, claim type, and dates. Now, let's drill down into one of the images. In addition to the metadata already captured, we can also ask Box AI a natural language question such as, estimate the damage to this vehicle and provide dollar values where possible. Box AI analyzes the photo in context and instantly provides an assessment, helping adjusters quickly determine next steps. But what if the claim is incomplete? No problem. The claims analyst can trigger a request for additional documentation straight from Box. For example, medical forms related to an injury. Once those are uploaded, Box AI will apply the same extraction rules, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Back in the dashboard, all this information comes together, structured, searchable, and easy to act on. The adjuster can now review the AI insights, confirm accuracy, and update the claim status with confidence. By combining Box AI with Box Forms and Box Apps, insurance teams can automatically capture critical details, extract rich metadata from both forms and images, and even estimate damages in real time. This means faster processing, fewer manual errors, and ultimately quicker resolutions for customers when they need it the most.